If you're considering a trip to Thailand, this series is tailor-made for you. Having recently traveled to Thailand, I'm excited to bring you a month-long journey breaking down the perfect week that is captivating in this country. While these videos will cover a lot, not to worry, I have a detailed Notion page that will be in the description of each Thailand video. From living costs to transportation options and even the activities I didn't squeeze. It's all there. My experience was an absolutely whirlwind, from all-inspiring temples and deep dives into their rich religious tapestry to the captivating modernized cities. And how could I forget, not to mention the explosion of flavors from Thai cuisine that boasts about? Every memory of this trip is stitched with excitement. So no more holding back, let's jump into this captivating series. Welcome to Wat Arun. Now these are one of the infamous temples here in Thailand, Bangkok, and I'm so excited to come here. In today's video, we're going to be visiting much more temples just like this one, and this first one that we decided to go to is just breathtaking, and of course I'm going to be doing drill tests for you. So without anything else, let's get into this video. Okay, so now the cool thing about coming to this temple is that you actually get to dress up as traditional Thai costumes, and it's pretty cool because you get to take photos here, and there's different packages as well you can do. If you're like a group of 1-2 people, then like the price is 1,500 baht, and then the costumes itself, so it's gonna be 200 baht, and it's gonna cost you, what's included inside that price is the costume itself, the accessories, and then your hair gets to be done if you're a girl. If you're a guy, it's just the costume and the accessories. Now for 500, that's also including makeup for the women. But for guys, it's very cheap. It's gonna be 200 baht, and you just get to walk around this whole place for unlimited time. You can be here for hours if you really want to, and take as many good picturesque photos for Instagram and all that good stuff. But wow, these are really nice. And this whole place, to enter inside the fee, is an additional 100 baht. I would do the conversion for you guys for Filipino pesos, and then for states, I'll put it inside the description. But this place is really, really amazing. Wow. So as you guys can see, you can walk all over this temple. I don't know how far you can go up, but you see people right here along the line of the path. But it's really cool, and in person I really can't compare like just how massive these temples are, because really, and then look at just the architecture on this, the builds, and what it's made out of too. There's like porcelain, cement, brick. It's really well. Wow, so cool guys, really.
Show you. This one for the punching, like this, punching first with the hammer punching.
This is made out of what?
Water buffalo skin.
Water buffalo.
This
and then this
cow.
one is
They
elephant.
have cow skin.
Or cow skin.
Not elephant. Cow and
Cow,
buffalo
cow.
only. This is a special knife for the cut. The detail, the line inside like you see. After work, when we finish work, we painting. use the color painting after work. Just painting the color. Use the color painting.
That's really
Black
neat.
and gold or color one by acrylic color painting. The picture very nice for frame. Put in the frame like this for frame.
Wow.
Or you can hang in the wall. Hang in the wall.
Look at this. This is pretty cool. Now, from what the guy was telling me, it's one of the people that they worship. I don't know the name of them, but these are pretty cool. I can't believe that I'm actually still here in Thailand, but this place is honestly breathtaking. Like the infrastructure, the streets, everything about this place is really spectacular. And I love this one. It's just so peaceful. But look at the view that you guys have from this temple to the city and then to the water. Like you just have a region of just different type of elements, from like the nice infrastructure to the buildings to the water to these peaceful temples, and it's just really, really amazing here. It's pretty hot. I will say it's hotter than the Philippines, but other than that, I don't mind it here really. And it's just really amazing here. And I'm actually happy that we're going to all these Buddhist temples, because it does show a lot of just the infrastructure that was left, like, I don't know, hundreds and centuries ago. And it's really cool. I mean, you guys can literally see the comparison to a person to the statue, and it's freaking massive. So this is known to be the Lane Buddhist, and it's a really famous temple here to visit because obviously it's very impressive in terms of the size and just its, look at this. And we had to do 2 more of these different temples, and I honestly cannot express how massive these are. Just like the whole place is almost like a mini theme park, but these are all Buddhist temples. Each of them has their own significant purpose. And there's like so many of them scattered around the city. But this one I think is really impressive just because of how much detail they put into the accents of these buildings. I mean, look at this. Awesome. This is really cool. Wow. So every time you have to enter one of these temples, you have to take off your shoes in respect for the Buddhist culture, or religion, I should say. And I think this is a praying hall, but they're under construction of the Buddhist statue as of this moment. But in this area, you can sit down and really just take a moment of this and just pray to the gods. Every building that you enter, the architecture, the attention to detail is really mesmerizing. And it tells the story of the city as well. Now, besides the temples here in Bangkok, Thailand, there's this area that is called Chinatown, and I wanted to come here just to see what it looks like, especially at nighttime, because of all the really cool lights that you see. And of course, there's also going to be Chinese fusion foods here. We've had some already, and it's quite good. I'll be showing you some photos of the Thai food that we also had, and it just looked so exquisite and so amazing. But this whole strip, you just see these big, I guess you would say like casino-like lights that you see in Las Vegas, where it's big, flashy, and it's just so colorful, especially at nighttime. And look, it's pretty hectic, I guess you would say. But right now, not really, because it's traffic time. But this place is really nice. And I'm so excited that I'm here. It's like a different world here in Thailand. And this city is so big, guys. I mean, I kid you guys not, this place is massive. And this whole area, I think, is like a block or two of just pure Chinatown. And it looks really cool. Look, I'll be doing some more B-roll for you guys, so I'll be showing you guys that in just a moment. So I actually got to one of the stalls that I was showing you guys earlier, and I got crocodile. Let's see what it tastes like. Right here they have some like syrup. It's really good. I would say it kind of tastes like I would say it tastes Very similar to chicken, but I really wish I didn't put the sauce that contained the actual meat of the crocodile, but it's really good. Very tender, chewy. The sauce gives it like a barbecue taste to it, and oh, it smells really good too. Yeah, I would definitely get this again. It's very tender, and I give it like maybe an 8 out of 10. I have like a very distinct taste to it as well. It's not just like chicken, but it has the texture of chicken, so it's really good. Like the crazy thing is people just come out here at night. They put up their own stands. They were prepping earlier. I was seeing them how they were doing it, and literally on the main street of the road they put like little railings so people could have room to actually just go to the stalls and eat food. Like, look at this, guys. There's an actual street, and it's just packed with people on the sides, and then you just, like, it's so hectic. But it's kind of organized at the same time. Look at this. They just have pop-up stands everywhere on this strip. Look at this guy, look at this. Now, what a better way to end my day here at our beautiful view of Bangkok, Thailand. Now, thank you for today's video. I will be doing another video as of tomorrow. I'll be showing you guys what we'll be doing then. And until then, see you guys in the next video.